Welcome to CarWow 787, your go-to source for in-depth reviews and insights into the world of heavy-duty trucks and engines. Whether you're a seasoned trucker, a fleet manager, or an enthusiast, we provide detailed analyses to help you make informed decisions. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Script begins. In today's episode, we delve into a detailed comparison between the Kenworth W990 semi-truck and the Caterpillar C15 engine. Both are titans in the trucking industry, known for their performance, reliability, and legacy. We'll explore their specifications, performance metrics, and how they complement each other in real-world applications. Kenworth W990 Overview. The Kenworth W990 is a flagship model that embodies the classic long hood design with modern enhancements. Introduced as a successor to the W900, the W990 combines traditional aesthetics with contemporary technology. Key features include design and comfort. The W990 boasts a spacious cab with premium materials, offering drivers comfort during long hauls. Its aerodynamic design improves fuel efficiency without compromising the classic Kenworth look. Chassis and build. Built on a robust chassis, the W990 is designed to handle heavy loads and challenging terrains. Its durability makes it a preferred choice for various applications, from freight to specialized hauling. Technology integration. Equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, digital displays, and connectivity features, the W990 ensures safety and convenience on the road. Caterpillar C15 Engine Overview. The Caterpillar C15 engine is renowned for its power and durability. Often referred to as the king of the road, the C15 has been a staple in heavy-duty trucking for years. Key attributes include performance. The C15 offers horsepower ratings ranging from 435 to 625 HP and torque up to 2,050 pounds-ft, making it suitable for heavy hauling and demanding routes. Reliability. Known for its long service intervals and robust construction, the C15 minimizes downtime and maintenance costs. Fuel efficiency. Despite its power, the C15 is designed for optimal fuel consumption, balancing performance with economy, compatibility and integration. When pairing the Kenworth W990 with the Caterpillar C15 engine, the combination results in a powerhouse capable of tackling the most demanding tasks. The integration offers enhanced performance. The C15's torque complements the W990's chassis, providing smooth acceleration and consistent power delivery. Operational efficiency. The synergy between the truck and engine ensures better fuel economy, reducing operational costs over time. Driver satisfaction. The comfortable cabin of the W990, combined with the reliable performance of the C15, leads to increased driver satisfaction and reduced fatigue. Real-world applications. In practical scenarios, this combination excels in long-haul freight. The W990 and C15 duo is ideal for cross-country transportation, offering reliability over extended distances. Heavy-duty hauling. For industries requiring the transport of heavy machinery or materials, this pairing provides the necessary power and stability. Challenging terrains. The robust build of the W990, combined with the C15's torque, ensures performance in mountainous or uneven terrains, maintenance and support. Both Kenworth and Caterpillar have extensive service networks, ensuring that maintenance and parts replacement are accessible. Regular maintenance schedules and diagnostics tools are available to keep the truck and engine in optimal condition. Cost considerations. While the initial investment for the Kenworth W990 and Caterpillar C15 engine combination may be higher compared to other setups, the long-term benefits in terms of durability, performance, and resale value often justify the cost. Environmental impact. With evolving emission standards, it's essential to consider the environmental footprint. The C15 engine has undergone various updates to meet regulatory requirements, and when combined with the W990's aerodynamic design, it contributes to reduced emissions and better fuel efficiency. The Kenworth W990 paired with the Caterpillar C15 engine represents a blend of tradition and innovation. For those seeking a reliable, powerful, and comfortable trucking solution, this combination stands out in the industry. Thank you for joining us in this comprehensive comparison of the Kenworth W990 and Caterpillar C15 engine. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow trucking enthusiasts. Subscribe to your channel name for more in-depth reviews and industry insights. Safe travels and keep on trucking.